How are you today?
Hi, Amrin. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. I feel a little tired today.
Oh, I understand. Did you work all day?
Yes, I worked and studied English.
That's great. Studying English every day is very good.
Thank you. I try my best. Now I feel hungry.
Me too. Would you like to eat something?
Yes, I would. Maybe fast food?
Fast food sounds good. It's quick and easy.
I like burgers and fries.
Perfect. There's a fast food restaurant over there.
Great. But Alex, I feel nervous.
Nervous? Why?
I want to order in English, but I'm afraid.
Don't worry. I will help you.
Thank you. You are very kind.
You're welcome. We will practice together.
Okay. What should I say first?
First, say hello to the cashier.
Just hello?
Yes, hello or hi.
Okay, I can do that.
Good. Then you say what you want to eat.
Like, I want a burger?
A better way is, I'd like a burger, please.
I'd like a burger, please.
Excellent. That sounds polite.
Polite English is important, right?
Yes, very important.
We are inside the restaurant now.
Yes, look at the menu.
The menu is big.
Take your time, no rush.
I see chicken burgers, beef burgers, and fish burgers.
Which one do you like?
I like chicken burgers.
Good choice. Do you want a combo?
What is a combo again?
A combo has a burger, fries, and a drink.
Oh, that's easy.
Yes, and it's cheaper.
Okay, I want a chicken burger combo.
Great. Now it's your turn to order.
I'm a little scared.
It's okay. Speak slowly.
Okay, I will try.
Hello, welcome. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like a chicken burger, please.
Would you like a combo?
Yes, please.
What size fries would you like?
Small fries, please.
And what drink would you like?
A cola, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay, that will be $5.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Perfect, Amrin. Really? I did it?
Yes, you ordered in English.
I feel happy and confident.
You should. You did very well.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Let's wait for our food.
Okay, I'm excited. Alex, I want to ask you something.
Sure, Amrin. What is it?
Sometimes I don't understand the menu.
That's very normal for beginners.
I feel shy to ask questions.
It's okay to ask. Asking questions is good English practice.
Really?
Yes, cashiers hear questions every day.
Okay, what question can I ask first?
You can ask, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Very good. That sounds natural.
What if I don't eat beef?
Then you can say, I don't eat beef.
I don't eat beef.
Or, do you have chicken?
Do you have chicken?
Perfect.
What if the cashier speaks fast?
You can ask them to repeat.
How do I say that?
Say, sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Excellent.
I like that sentence.
It's very useful. Practicing with the cashier. Hello, what would you like today?
Hello, what do you recommend?
Our chicken burger is very popular.
Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
That's good.
Would you like a combo?
Yes, please.
What size would you like?
What sizes do you have?
Small, medium, and large.
Medium, please.
And what drink would you like?
What drinks do you have?
Cola, orange juice, and water.
Orange juice, please.
That was very good English.
I'm not so scared now.
That's confidence. Understanding common questions.
Alex, can you teach me common cashier questions?
Of course. For here or to go?
For here or to go?
Would you like a combo?
Would you like a combo?
What size?
What size?
Anything else?
Anything else?
These questions are very common.
I will remember them.
Mini speaking practice. Let's practice quickly. I ask, you answer. Would you like a combo?
Yes, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
What size fries?
Medium fries, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Excellent.
Alex, I feel more confident now.
I'm happy to hear that.
English is not so scary.
Exactly. Practice makes it easy.
Alex, I feel much better now.
I can hear it in your voice.
Ordering in English is not so hard anymore.
Exactly. Now let's practice more.
Okay, this time I want to order for 2 people.
That's a great idea.
I want food for you and me.
Perfect. That's real-life English.
Talking about special requests. Alex, I have a question.
Go ahead.
What if I don't like onions?
Then you can say, no onions, please.
No onions, please.
Very good.
What if I want more cheese?
Say, extra cheese, please.
Extra cheese, please.
Excellent pronunciation.
Can I ask for less salt?
Yes, say, less salt, please.
Less salt, please.
Perfect.
Ordering for 2 people, a longer dialogue.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, we'd like to order, please.
Sure, go ahead.
1 chicken burger combo, please.
What size fries?
Medium fries, please.
And the drink?
A cola, please.
Anything else?
Yes, 1 beef burger.
Would you like a combo with that?
Yes, please.
What size fries?
Large fries, please.
And the drink?
Orange juice, please.
Any special requests?
Yes, no onions on the beef burger, please.
Sure.
And extra cheese on the chicken burger, please.
No problem.
That's all, thank you.
You're welcome.
After ordering, building fluency. Wow, that was a long order.
Yes, and you did it very well.
I spoke a lot of English.
And you spoke clearly.
I didn't feel nervous.
That means you're improving.
Common problems and solutions. Alex, what if I make a mistake?
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
What can I say?
You can say, sorry, I made a mistake.
Sorry, I made a mistake.
Or, can I change my order?
Can I change my order?
Very useful sentence.
Changing an order. Practice.
Is everything okay?
Sorry, can I change my order?
Sure, what would you like to change?
Can I change the drink?
Of course.
I'd like water instead of cola, please.
No problem.
Thank you. Fluency practice. Speak without stopping.
Now try this. Say everything in one sentence.
Hello, we'd like to order 2 combos, 1 chicken burger with extra cheese and no onions, medium fries and a cola, and 1 beef burger combo with large fries and orange juice for here, please.
Excellent. That was very fluent.
I feel proud.
You should.
Ending part 3. Alex, my English is getting better.
Yes, it is.
I'm not afraid to speak now.
That's the goal.
Thank you for practicing with me.
Always happy to help.
Alex, I have another question.
Sure, Amrin. Ask me anything.
What if there's a problem with my order?
That's a very important question.
I feel shy to complain.
Complaining politely is good English, not rude.
Really?
Yes, let me show you how.
Talking about payment problems. What if my card doesn't work?
Then you can say, sorry, my card is not working.
Sorry, my card is not working.
Or you can say, can I pay cash?
Can I pay cash?
Very good.
What if I don't have enough money?
You can say, sorry, I need to change my order.
Sorry, I need to change my order.
Perfect.
Practice. Payment dialogue.
That will be $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please.
Oh, sorry, my card is not working.
That's okay.
Can I pay cash?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you for your help.
Very polite and clear.
Missing items in the order. Alex, what if something is missing?
First, stay calm.
Okay.
Then say, excuse me,
Excuse me.
and explain the problem.
How do I explain?
Say, I think something is missing.
I think something is missing.
Or, I didn't get my fries.
I didn't get my fries. Practice. Missing item conversation.
Here's your order.
Thank you. After checking, excuse me, I think something is missing.
Oh, I'm sorry. What is missing?
I didn't get my fries.
I'm sorry about that. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Excellent problem-solving English.
Polite complaints. What if the food is cold?
You can say, sorry, my food is cold.
Sorry, my food is cold.
Or, can I get a new one, please?
Can I get a new one, please?
Very polite.
Practice. Polite complaint.
Is everything okay?
Sorry, my burger is cold.
I'm sorry about that.
Can I get a new one, please?
Of course.
Thank you so much. Building real confidence. Alex, I feel strong now.
Strong English confidence.
I can order, pay, and fix problems.
That's real-life English.
I'm not afraid anymore.
That means you are ready.
Fluency drill. Full situation.
Now say everything together.
Hello, I'd like a chicken burger combo, medium fries, and a cola, please, for here. Oh, sorry, my card is not working. Can I pay cash? Excuse me, I didn't get my fries. Thank you.
Amazing fluency.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed practicing English with us today.
Remember, speak slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. And practice every day.
Subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations.
See you in the next video. Bye.